Hi family, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of this video unboxing my Chinese wig with me. So guys, if you are not yet watched the part 1 of this video, please do well to watch it. That will actually help you to understand the video very well, okay? And this is me testing the hair, fitting in the hairs. I got 3 hairs from this Chinese factory. I got their contact newly, so I selling me sent for few weeks as a sample to see how their strand is, okay? And if you had watched my previous video, that is part 1 of this video, there I said that their hair was giving, and truly their hair was giving. So this is a continuation of that video. Like I've said, this is part 2. So guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, become part of the family, okay? Because on this channel I do more of DIY. I also post hairs because I am a hair vendor. In my last video, that was part 1 of this, I said that I'm gonna do my testing, okay? And I'm done with those testing, and I must tell you, the hair or the wigs was 100% SDD hair. So if you really want to get hairs from this Chinese factory, or let me know on the comment section, okay? So now let me show you how the wig looks after combing it out. I've already combed it. There was no light, that was why the camera didn't do justice to the video, but all the same, let me show you. Here I first of all put on the 16 inches stiff frontal PC coiling, and as you can see, I sprinkled water. I did not add anything into the water. I use only natural water, okay? So, and look at me combing it. Can you see how the hair is joined like obono? Look at it. Look at the hair. The hair is very good, okay? Look at it. Just look at the hair. It's giving what it should give. God, look at it. Here is a dry look of it, okay? So here is a dry look. Wow. And here is the wet look. So this is number 1. Now I'm going to show you other ones when we are done with this one. Look at me. So this is the second one. I've combed it out. This is the one they called designed coils. Design coils. So we are going to fit in the design coils. Okay, I've already combed it out. So let me fit it in. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this is me fitting in, the design coily hair. This is also 4x4 closure wig. Yeah, got it. Like I've said, I've already combed it out, but not much. One good thing about this hair is that the more you comb it, the more it rises, just like PC coily. But this one, they call it design coily. I don't know. Yeah, that that was the name they called it, okay? Design coily. This is 10 inches, okay? That the hair is so beautiful. Yeah, look at how the hair looks on me. It's giving me that Unyodegu vibes, okay? And guys, one good thing again about this particular design coil is that it absorbs water like PC coil, as in like mad. I used only ordinary water. I did not add any leave-in conditioner while doing my testing. Okay. As you can see, I'm using just ordinary natural water. I did not add anything to it. So let's comb it out. I combed it out. Look at it. It absorbed water. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, the hair is so fine, I beg. So if you want to buy this hair, just send a DM. Remember, this is 100% STD. If you don't know the full meaning of SD, that is super double drawn hair, okay? Super double drawn hair. So if you like this particular hair, send a DM. Your destination can never be a barrier, okay? Yeah, look at it. So let's test number three. Let me wear number three, okay? So our number three now was this 14 inches small bouncy coily hair. So this very one I did not, comb it because I don't know how the customer that will buy it will prefer it to be. So it depends on the customer. If the customer wants to comb it out, good and fine. If the customer wants to be rocking it this way, good and fine. All I did on this one was to, use my hot comb to slick down the closure parts, okay, so that it will be flat. This is also 4x4 closure with center pattern, okay. Yeah, you can part it side pattern. Yeah, it's a complete 4x4 closure, so you can style it either C curve side pattern, or you leave it as it is center pattern. So look at it. All of these hairs, like I've said, are for sale. If you want to buy the three of them, just send a DM. But remember, it's super double drawn wigs, okay, 100%. All of these wigs can last for you for so many years. Depends on how you maintain it, because everything depends on maintenance. So guys, feel free to patronize my brand. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do not hesitate to do so, okay? Like my video and share, because this is actually we help the YouTube algorithm to know that the content that we are putting out here is a nice one, okay? And your like, your comments will go a long way. So thank you. At my next one.